Bonjour! Slime Sam is here. Are you ready for a big reconstruction? Here we go.
Good morning to me. What? Where is my second? Whatever. I really want to take a shower.
So, craft alert! Someone needs our designer help. Hurry up! Barbie, tell me now, what happened here?
Terrible! I can't even go inside my bathroom.
Stay put, Barbie. I'll be right back. So, what do we have here? Meh. Ew! Huh? We need a new approach. Greetings, everyone. It's the Sam Fix-It show, and things are about to get wild.
And it's a bathroom total makeover episode. Sam, be careful.
Oh, come on. Vroom. Is it stuck? I see. But Sam can fix everything. Friends, I'd better sit here while Sue's working.
Okay, this lighting will never work again. Why you?
So, what happened? I will save you. Huh? You nasty toilet. I will throw you away.
Sammy, it's a bad idea. Oops.
I need a shower.
In the meantime, I will clean up here.
I was away for just a minute, and it got even messier.
Well, I need help.
Fine. Oh, I know. Where was it? Where was it? Ah, there it is. So, try this.
Oh, thanks, Sam. It doesn't work.
What? Nothing, huh? You need a strong slime here. What to learn? Ouch! In the meantime, let's talk with the owner of the bathroom. So, how did it become that much awful, huh?
Oh, well...
I see. We'll call you when we finish. Bye-bye now.
Shoo! Oh, how rude! This window frame is no good.
Yeah, but watch out for the broken glass. I will help you.
Please be careful, Sammy.
Don't worry, nothing can take me down.
Nothing can take you down, you say? Except for me, I guess.
You simply took me by surprise.
If you say so. Finally, our bathroom is ready for the next stage.
And we're back with one of the local dwellers. Are you planning on staying after the repairs?
Not really. It's gonna be too clean for me.
Very well. Then just go back to the cockroach land, or whatever, and get as messy as you want there. This is Magnifique, and we are going on the designer's hunt for some nice construction materials.
Can I help you?
Huh? Fine. Show me what you've got. And don't you ever interrupt me again.
We have shiny wallpaper, gold and pink. Do you like them?
Anything else?
Sure, come here. We have lots of stuff. What do you say about this? Behind you? It's voluminous wallpapers with 3D effect.
Incredible! I need photos.
I'm on it.
It's time to get back to our makeover. Back to you, Suzanne.
Thank you. Right now we are finishing with...
What did I miss?
Sammy, no!
Oopsie. Sorry, I didn't know you were... What happened to me? Oh, no. So, why didn't you tell me the paint wasn't dry yet? Couldn't you put a sign or something?
You would have knocked it down anyway. This will take the paint off you.
Thanks. I don't really like how I look in white.
Now we will make this place bright. We'll start with the ceiling. Wow, this shade is amazing. Just check it out.
It sure is. I chose it. Oh, okay. You helped me too. A little bit. Can't I even brag?
We will make the walls bright pink. You know we like this color, friends.
And now get ready for a masterclass. I'm going to show you how to prepare a special mixture to lay the tiles. We should get a perfect bathroom floor after all. Sorry Sorry about that, but slimes never give up. Sue, could you be a mixer? That'll serve you right, Slush.
Easy, Tiger. Okay, let's get to it.
Very well done, Susie. Bring on the tiles now.
On it, big boss.
Okay, enough rubbing the tiles already. We've got to work up the joints. Where was that thing now? Ah, here it is. Come on, push.
Wait, Sammy. It goes like this.
Whoa, that was close. Huh?
Why are you doing this to me?
Uh-oh. Actually, you can attach the tiles to yourself now. I heard it's trendy. Ow!
While those two are making jokes on each other, someone's gotta work, right?
So, how's it going? Wow!
Do you like it?
Well, you've missed a spot here and there. Stop it! It tickles! Hey, what was that? Did you do that, Sue?
It was me, and I will get
We'll
you.
see about that.
Hey, you waved so zealously with your brushes that everything got dry. We can install the window now. For the wallpapers,
You're gonna need glue. Am I right, Susie?
or I can use you instead.
I said it's good that slimes are sticky.
Oh yeah, just look at this.
Now I'll show you who is the most creative here. Hey, come on.
These are good as they are, Sam. And some nice lighting too. Great!
Whoa, Sue, turn it on right now. Let's check it out. Now we're talking.
Dear viewers, do you want to know what's next? Then don't go anywhere.
Hey, that was my line. Show me. What are you hiding there? What is that? What is this thing?
Sammy, it's just the base for the toilet. We're defo gonna need a new one.
You should have. You should have warned me, you know. Uh-huh. Are you sure you're doing it right?
Yes, Sammy, I'm just not finished yet.
Okay, let me see now. Stop it! No! Awesome. Let's do that once more.
Sorry, Sammy, I have so many parts to make.
Say no more. I will happily help you. Hey, my ducky also did some crafting here. Check it out, Sue.
Oh, wow! Now we have everything we need.
Look, I made really detailed instructions. Huh? What should we do? How do we know we're doing everything right?
Don't worry, I perfectly remember everything. The stand with the sink is ready.
The water could have been warmer. Hey, where is the shower curtain? Oh!
It's coming soon. Just let me finish here.
In the meantime, I will deal with Sammy. What now?
Nothing.
Why did you call me that? Stop distracting me. Who wrote that nonsense? Huh?
I think someone outslicked you.
Oh, haha, very funny.
Uh-huh.
There, Sue. Nope. Just leave it there already. How hard can it be to find a place for a bathroom shelf? Okay, I got the towels. I got the soap.
Excuse me?
Yes, that was a nice sale. Thank you. Bye.
You can't take the cart.
Fine. I thought she wouldn't notice. So close.
Sammy, are you coming?
Sorry, it would have been faster with the cart. All right, let's wrap it up, people. Is everything ready? What's with the camera? That's better. 3, 2, action! We're back! And we're live from the new bathroom. Are you ready? Take off the blindfold, please. Oh, wow!
bathroom forever! We're happy that you loved it. And it's all so new and shiny! It's fluffy foam, my favorite! Amazing!
That was the Sam Fix-It Show, and this is it for today. Please subscribe. Bye!
And give a thumbs up! See you soon, everyone!